Today's only quote is do not negotiate with your inner bitch. Your inner bitch does not want you to be successful. Your inner bitch does not want you to have fun. Your inner bitch does not want you to have a good family life. Your inner bitch doesn't want you to do anything good. Your inner bitch is that voice that's tearing you down all the time. Your inner bitch is the one telling you not to wake up and go get that workout in. Your inner bitch is telling you not to read that last page. Your inner bitch is the one telling you, hey, don't do that next rep. Your inner bitch is only there to tear your ass down. We have to constantly fight our inner bitch. And if you start fighting now and get stronger and stronger, hopefully you can keep it at bay. But don't get me wrong, I still negotiate with my inner bitch sometimes. But it's a constant battle of trying to better yourself and not fighting with that little inner bitch. Quote of the day.